Hey designers, Figma just launched a game-changing grid feature at Config 2025. And here's a quick rundown on how it works and why you'll love it. First things first, accessing Draw mode. Inside any Figma design file, click Draw mode next to Dev mode. That's it. No separate app needed. Choose between pen, pencil, or brush, and pre-select stroke width or color. Want a custom brush? Convert any shape or text using Command+E or Control+E, or just right-click on the text or shape, then select the Flatten option in Figma, and you're good to go. To add it to your brush set, select the brush, then head to the Brush Settings panel. Scroll to the end. Your custom shape will be right. Choose a new color from the color picker, increase or decrease, and you're ready to sketch your design. From this menu, you'll also have the option to rename or delete your custom brushes. Brushes get powerful with dynamics. Adjust wiggles, frequency, and stroke smoothness. Select the brush in the Stroke Settings panel, then simply change the direction to control how your brush flows across the path. This helps you fine-tune the angle and orientation for more natural, custom strokes. This is big. Press Enter to access the vector editing tools. Hit M. Drag across intersecting areas to merge them into one shape. Or hold Option/Alt while dragging to subtract parts of the shape, just like Illustrator. Use the lasso tool for quick multi-point selection.
And adjust the corner radius.
Press Tab to jump between points. And Command+J to close open paths instantly. Or instantly join two open points to close a path. Great for finishing incomplete shapes or paths without manually dragging them together. This new feature lets you fill any shape with a repeating pattern instead of a solid color or gradient. You can scale, space, and edit one source to update every instance instantly. Figma Draw lets you add mono, duo, or multicolor texture noise. Plus, Figma now supports both uniform blur and progressive blur. In this card, start by setting the opacity to around 60 to 70%. Then apply a uniform blur to soften the background. Finally, add a progressive blur for a smooth, natural fade. Opacity to ensure your text remains clear and readable while keeping that frosted effect.
Long-awaited text on path is finally here. Click a path, tap T, and start typing. Even a spiral like this one. Tap T and start typing. Then, drag and adjust the text to twist it exactly how you want. Tight or wide, dramatic or subtle. Select your shape, hit repeat, and choose radial. Adjust the number of instances, rotation angle, and radius live. No math needed. Just select your object, click repeat, and choose linear, horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. You can tweak the spacing, number of copies, and direction on the fly. Hold near any shape corner for 2 seconds to set a rotation anchor. Perfect for rotating wheels, knobs, or icons from a natural pivot point. All right, designer, your mission is simple. Take the purple star and match it perfectly with the dotted shape. Purple circle, white medium star. Drag. Want to try it yourself? Just click the link in the description to access the Figma Draw playground and follow along with me. And that's Figma Draw, your new go-to for illustration, icons, and creative vector workflows. Which feature are you trying first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.